Hey guys, came home from work and this was in my driveway. This is the RecTec RT 700, the Bull, and my adventures in putting it together. There you can see my Cuisinart Oakmont. I still can't get that to hook to the Wi-Fi, and that's one reason I bought this. And boy, this is really put together well. Anyway, this is my adventures putting it together. Here's the fasteners that you need to put it together. They come organized really well. I like that. So I'm trying to get everything organized to get this put together as quickly as possible. There's my lovely assistant, Aqua, and let's make this happen. So first thing we've got to do is put on the legs. I'm going to leave it down like that for now. We'll install the legs. I didn't get an owner's manual with this thing, or a instruction manual to assemble it. I googled it and there's just videos, so I guess that's the way it goes. So like I said, we begin by putting on the legs, getting the back ones on. I did purchase the shelf, so I'm putting the back legs on first, and then when you put the front ones on, you install the shelf with it. So that's why we're doing it this way. And just on a second note, you've got to make sure these legs are in the correct position. We had to take two of them off and put them back on. So on a side note, that second set of hands there really makes this easy. In fact, she actually put most of this together. Bless her heart. My phone kept ringing and I was trying to get in and out and do business. But yeah, this worked out really well. Here we're going to install the shelf. And Aqua's going a little different at it, but it worked out really well. We got it installed. I'm glad I bought that. This is a really well-made piece of equipment. Okay, here Aqua's putting on the bottom shelf. She did a great job there, and we're just about ready to open this up and stand it up and hook up the electronics and all the interior stuff.
Oh.
So now we're going to lift it up, get those legs tightened up, and put in the shelf with the electronics in it, attach the smokestack, and then the bull horns. So anyway, this is coming along really well. So we got her put back up on her feet, tightening up those legs, trying to get everything ship shape there. It actually goes together really well. I'm impressed. We're only into this an hour. I think the whole thing took an hour and a half. and that was hitting her pretty good. Okay, here we're putting on the shelf with the electronics in it. My packaging looked pretty rough when I got it, and I noticed that the electronics is kind of pushed back in the window. I'm going to have to call RecTec and see what they say about it. I have not gotten it hooked to the internet yet, but that's on my list. So we got the electronics installed and plugged in. We got the smokestack on, the shelf, the handle. So we just have to put the interior components in there, and I think that's about it. We have to put the bowl handles on there, and I actually have a problem with these bowl handles. One of them had a bolt broke off inside the handle. I suppose I could get an easy out and get that out. I don't want to do that. This is a brand new grill. Okay, so we have this all put together. I am very happy to report that I've got the Wi-Fi working. When I was out there doing this, I couldn't get it connected. I turned the machine off, connected my phone, and now it seems to work. So, kudos, hoorah. I'm very, very jacked about that. So, this machine seems just stellar. I'm just really happy I bought it. I'm looking forward to a lot of good cooks on it. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I think this is a great machine. I'm really happy I bought it again. And I will be out here cooking on this thing ASAP. We'll see you all further on down the trail. Really appreciate you guys.